Hello, and good morning. It is disgusting outside. If you're hearing sound, it's the rain. I'm gonna close the window. There's another window that needs to be closed, but it is so rainy and really disgusting today. I have got a lot on today, so we're starting the day with this naked smoothie with blueberry, goji berry, and black currant. I'm hoping that'll be yummy, and then some water, so double liquid for the start of the day. I've already done my morning stretch, and yeah, that's it. That's all I've done today. It's around, I think it's like 10ish now. I need to get ready because I'm meeting some friends for brunch, but I needed something in my body before that, so cheers. I swear I always find myself rushing, but this is what I'm gonna wear. I'll show a full little OTD in a bit, but this is the new top. It's really cute, and I'm just like in such a rush. I don't know how this always happens, but I always do this to myself. But my outfit looks cute, so that's all that matters. And I have these really fun socks on that, let me show you. Look at them, little cherries, so cute. Okay, so I've just gotten home and I'm going to make like what I like to call dunch. It's like dinner and lunch combined because it's at a weird time. I mean, it's technically dinner at this point, but I haven't really had a lunch, so it's dunch. Got all my ingredients, and I'm gonna make like a bowl with some quinoa and some veg, and it should be pretty yummy. My quinoa is now washed and in the pot, and I'm gonna let it cook while I shower and get clean because I was sweating so much in that ballet class. Like, I thought I was gonna die. It was one of the most intense classes I've done in quite some time, and my body was just, it's one of my favorite teachers, but the class just like killed me. I just got out of the shower and I feel clean, but my pot is almost burnt. Which is fine. I just added a bit more water, but it's okay. It's time to chop up all the veggies and cook those. I'm also running late. This just always happens to me. Like, I am always just indefinitely late. So I'm running late to meet a friend, but it's fine. I'll just tell her that, you know, can we possibly do a bit later? And I doubt she's gonna be like too upset about it, so it should hopefully be A-okay. I was gonna add this avocado, but I feel like it might be too much food because I've got all these tomatoes, some olives. This is the amount of quinoa that I have, which is actually quite a bit. I'm like, sorry about how dirty this is. And then quite a few veggies in there and a meat-free sausage. So I think I'm gonna skip out on the avocado. I think it's a lot of food that's happening at the moment. This is what my dunch looks like at the moment. I'm gonna mix it all up and it should be really yummy. So let's mix. I've seasoned it all with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and some hot paprika, and lemon at the end. And the quinoa was cooked in veggie stock, whatever thing, so it should hopefully have decent flavor. I'm of course running late. Sorry, the extractor fan thing in the bathroom just makes so much noise. Putting on some sunscreen, and then I need to do my hair quickly and run. I'm gonna do my makeup on the way. But yeah, I also, you know, I'm just gonna rip this off because it's like kind of coming off and my wrist is actually feeling okay right now. I might regret that in a minute, but at the moment it feels fine. I just got back home and I'm so hungry, like literally starved, and so tired. I think it's like 11:30 now, but I need to make something to eat because I didn't get food when I was out. I just had a lot to drink and it's hit me. But this is the hairstyle that I went for. I don't think I showed you, but it's really cute. A little braid and some like pieces out. But yeah, I need to make something to eat because I'm starving. I've made some pasta. I'm hoping it'll be yummy. It's just tomato sauce pasta, like a pink sauce really. And I've just covered it in cheese, like it's just so covered. Let's see if it's any good. Oh. Not bad considering I'm kind of drunk, but it's good.